Looking for an easy way to deposit a check without having to visit a branch? Tyndall offers mobile deposits through our mobile banking app. It's quick, convenient, and easy to use. Plus, most mobile deposits are posted within the following hour to your account, Monday through Friday. To make a mobile deposit, open your Tyndall mobile app and log in. Tap the Deposits icon from the bottom menu. In the Deposit To drop-down menu, select the account you want to deposit your check into. In the check amount box, enter the amount of the check you're depositing. Next, endorse the back of the check by signing your name and writing "For mobile deposit only" in ink under your signature. Tap the camera icon to take a picture of the front and back of your check. To get the best picture, place your check on a dark background and make sure your check is within the rectangle on your phone when capturing the image of the front and back of your check. When you're done, select Deposit. The next screen will say your mobile deposit is complete. That's it. Your check will be processed and deposited into your account. You will receive email updates as each step is completed.